In this video, you'll learn how to use the Moonpay app to buy, sell, and swap cryptocurrencies. By the end of this guide, you will be familiar with the essential features and functions of the app, enabling you to navigate it with confidence. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. It is advisable to use a stable internet connection to ensure smooth performance while accessing the app. Once your browser is open, navigate to the search engine of your choice, such as Google. Next, type Moonpay into the search bar and press the Enter key. This action will display a list of search results related to Moonpay. Look for the official Moonpay website link in the search results, which typically appears at the top of the page. After that, click on the link that states Moonpay buy and sell Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other cryptos. This will direct you to the official Moonpay homepage, where you can begin the process of using the app. Once the Moonpay homepage loads, you will see several options. If you are an individual user, click on the option labeled Individuals. This is typically located prominently on the homepage and will guide you to features tailored for personal use. Following this, if you are representing a business, you may want to explore the option labeled Business. Clicking this will provide you with information and services designed for business transactions in cryptocurrency. Next, if you clicked on the business option, select Get Started to access the business services offered by Moonpay. This will lead you to the relevant section where you can find more details about setting up your business account. Afterward, if you are still on the business page, you can navigate back to the individuals section by clicking on it again. This will allow you to return to the individual user options. Now locate and click on the buy button. This option will take you to the buying interface where you can start purchasing cryptocurrencies. Once you're on the buying page, click on the button labeled Buy Crypto. This action will prompt the app to display the available cryptocurrencies for purchase and their respective prices. Next, you may see a message that states, "Want to buy crypto with Moonpay? It's never been simpler." This indicates you are in the right place to proceed with your purchase. Then you can click on the sell option if you wish to sell your cryptocurrencies. This will redirect you to the selling interface. After that, click on Sell Crypto to view the cryptocurrencies you can sell and the process to follow for selling them. You will then see a message stating, "Sell your crypto for cash," in a flash. This confirms you are on the right page to proceed with selling your assets. Next, click on the swap option to exchange one cryptocurrency for another. This feature allows for seamless transactions between different cryptocurrencies. Afterwards, select the swap crypto option. This will enable you to view the available cryptocurrencies for swapping and initiate the transaction. Finally, you will see a message that says swap crypto seamlessly. This confirms that you have accessed the swapping feature successfully and can proceed with your transaction. That's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.